Yeah, so for those that does not really know how to use Binance Binance Bridge, I just want to explain what Binance Bridge is. So Binance Bridge allows you to convert a coin from one blockchain to another. Right? You could see that I actually told you I want to quickly buy that coin. For those of you in the premium group that I want to stock more of the coin. So instead of moving my what are they calling it coin from um, instead of sending BUSD to Binance and buying Ethereum, then sending the Ethereum back to my Trust wallet. So what I want to quickly do is I will do everything on Trust wallet using Binance Bridge. So what I will do is I converted a particular coin to Ethereum. So 0.24 worth of Ethereum. So my coin is now on Ethereum now, right? So although I have some Ethereum before, but this is particular Ethereum I have is on Binance Matching. So I want to convert it to ECL20 Ethereum. So what I'm gonna do is I will go to you can see what they write down here. You can see it convert ECL20 to BIP20, vice versa, even to Tron. So I will click on it on PancakeSwap. So make sure you are connected to your wallet. To that wallet you have your coin, this particular wallet. So once I'm connected, you can see here they said assets USDT from to. So this is from Tron at default to Binance Matching. But what I want to convert right here is I want to convert Ethereum from Binance Matching to I will choose Ethereum. I want to convert Ethereum from Ethereum network from Binance Matching to Ethereum network. So what I will do is I will switch it. All right, I will switch. So then Binance Matching. So yeah, it must be Binance Matching, not Binance Chain. So you can see Ethereum. Where do you want to switch? So that means I want to switch my Ethereum from Binance Matching to Ethereum network. All right, so they will ask me for amount of Ethereum. I'll put the amount here. Okay, so they will tell you the value you will receive. You can see I want to collect 0.2484. So they said the value I will get is 0.244. It doesn't look bad. So the next thing I will do is I will click on connect. Then I will choose Metamask. All right, then click on connect. Then I will click on connect. Okay, you can see now that it has shown me that it's connected. Okay, so now that it has connected, so they say I should put my balance again because the balance cleared off before. So I paste it there. All right, so now that I've pasted there, so what I want to do this time is what I will click on next. You can see a minimum amount you can swap. You can see it a maximum amount. So what I want to do next here now, I will just click on next because I want to swap from Binance Matching to Ethereum mainnet. So because okay, now you can see it. They've told me what I will receive. I will receive it in that same wallet. So this is their transaction fee. The same transaction fee they will charge you if you use Binance. So it's better I just do it straight on Binance. All right. However, you must have some BNB, Binance Matching BNB on your Binance to be able to execute the transaction. So I click on confirm. Then they will tell me submit MetaMask transaction. I will click on it. All right. So if you click on approve, then I approve it. All right, so you have to wait till this thing gets approved. All right, so I'll pause this video till it gets approved. All right, so you can see confirmation pending. So within few minutes I will see the coin on my Ethereum wallet on this my same wallet, but this time around it will be on ECL20, not BIP20 anymore. This particular coin, right? So that way now I have my Ethereum wallet instead of going to what are they calling it? Instead of going to Binance to go and start swapping. The same thing applies to is applicable to TRS. If you want to convert from TRS to Binance Smart Chain or to ECR20, so what you just have to do is, if it is TRX, that is Tron, you must have some TRS, which is Tron token, which you'll be using as transaction fee, gas fee. You know, like Binance now, we use Smart Chain as gas fee. So if you want to convert from Ethereum as well to BIP20 or Tron, you must have some Ethereum as well as gas fee. Alright, so that is it, guys, for this video. That is how to do it. So what you just have to do next is just go to your wallet, and you will see it there in your wallet. Okay, so you just have to wait, go to your wallet, check Ethereum, then you just wait. You know, this is ECR20. That's why you are seeing coin here, the main Ethereum. So I'm waiting for it. So once it shows up, okay, I will see it soon. So this is it, guys. You can see it didn't even take up to 3 minutes till the coin arrived. So you can see that it has arrived. So you can see my balance has increased, and then I want to go and buy a particular coin now, okay, on Uniswap. So thanks for watching, guys. To have a wonderful nice day.